Kuro ubone batho ba ka TV today.
Yeah, Zoom Ash. Now you want to see. I specifically want to see the zoom. You said there's a zoom here. Okay. Then what does it do? It's a Google. It's a navigation. Oh. African way of searching. This one is right. Which craft when you search for oil grains. When you search for lost. So, but the problem is one. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.